Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HyperX Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to create your own DPI preset. So here we do have the HyperX Pulsefire Fuze wireless mouse, and here on the screen we do have the HyperX NGenuity. Here we have to click on sensor here, and as you can see here we'll see add level button. We have to click add level, and here we do have the fifth preset. As you can see, we can set the value using our keyboard by clicking on this value, or set it using this slider here, but it will be difficult now. For example, 900, or our custom value 650. And here, apart from setting the value itself, we can change the color. Here, as you can see, I do have white. We can click it and set it to some other color. And that's how it works. Goodbye.